Good morning, everyone. It is day one. We are packing our bags. We are traveling around the world for a 6-week series. Our first stop, Australia. Always wanted to go. It is on my list.
Me
I
too.
have Miss Rachel with me this morning.
Good morning. It's also on my list of places to visit.
Yes,
I would
yes.
love to one day.
Not gonna lie, most of the places that we chose were places we wanted to visit.
I know, right?
You know.
Well, it just means we're enthusiastic about it. We're excited to share it with you and to learn with you.
That's right. All right, so we're doing a couple of things today. It is our first stop, so you are going to need your passport because, of course, we're going out of the U.S. You have to have your passport. You should have this, and you should have a couple of pieces of paper, okay? This one we are going to use today. We're going to make our passport, and we're going to make our kangaroo. And then for each country that we visit, you are going to get some fact sheets, what it looks like, what the flag looks like, just a little bit of trivia. So I say the first thing we need to do is our passport. So let's do that first. On your paper, it has a picture for you to draw a picture of yourself. Parents, if you want to cut out a picture or print one out and glue it on, I'm totally fine with that. So name. Make sure you put your name here. If you need help, ask your parent or your sibling. All right, and then it also asks your birthday. You'll get my month and my day. That's all you're getting. I will be 36 for a very long time.
That's right. You look great for 36.
Great. All right, so Miss Chrissy, 11.5, and let me attempt my picture.
Your self-portrait, as it were.
Portrait. All right, so we know I'm really good at drawing. It's gonna look like an alien, maybe, but that's okay because I tried my best. So
That's
as long
right.
as you try your best, we'll be good to go. All right, let me get lots of hair because my hair is crazy. I need a haircut.
And you know, most passport photos kind of look goofy anyway because you can't smile. And some of them you can't even show your teeth. So you kind of have a weird look to you anyway. So if it's all right, if your passport picture isn't totally perfect, it's totally fine.
All right, so I have my beautiful picture.
Beautiful.
All right, we're gonna open our passport to the very first page, and this is going to go right there. All right, so get your glue. Put some glue all around it. Maybe do a little X. I like to put a little X there, hold it on, and just put it on right there. All right. Let's set this aside for the moment. Oh, I need my little stamp. And let's get out our kangaroos. All right, so dump your bag out. You guys should have a nice little sticker on the back. You see that? Crown, dancing crown designs.
Yep.
So we kind of took this and then made it our own. So enjoy. All right, so you're gonna have 2 ears, 2 eyes. You should have a popsicle stick. You should have a baby. Miss Rachel.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the baby?
The baby is called a Joey.
It is. It is called a Joey. So baby kangaroos are called Joey. That's your first little trivia. And then we have our pouch. Okay? So you are going to glue your pouch right over top of this pouch. All right? There is a slit right here. Don't glue it over top because then our Joey won't fit in. Okay? All right, so this pouch right here, makes this kangaroo a marsupial because it has a pouch. Look at that, it keeps its babies in its pouch. All right, next let's glue on some ears. The little pink pieces are gonna go right in the middle of each ear. Anybody awake this morning? I know it's a transition for Spotsylvania this morning.
It is.
People went back to school.
We had Blake checked in earlier, so good morning, Blake.
Hi, Blake. Yes, I looked out my front door, and lo and behold, there was a school bus, and I'm like, what is that?
Yes, and we had school zones, like the lights were on. Like, I haven't seen the lights for school zones on in months.
It makes me very happy.
Yes.
Let's try to return to some kind of normal. Mask up, wash your hands.
That's right.
Stay 6 foot apart. There's one eye. Blake, are you excited to visit Australia this week?
I'm sure he is. I think we all are. This is such a neat idea for a box. So many cool things to learn.
Yes, so speaking of which, I believe it is up. So we do these weekly kits regardless, because this is what we teach in our class, okay? Since we shut down, we've been sending them home weekly and staying in touch with our little group of kids. So we are a little bit ahead, no worries. This kit and the rest of them are going to be on Cratejoy as a 6-month subscription. You'll get a country every month once you sign up. But it is live, it is active. We are ready to release that. So we'll make great Christmas presents. I know it's coming up. It's right around the corner.
Mm-hmm.
And we try to make our boxes fun. The whole point is to have fun so that the kids retain what they are learning.
That's right.
Some glue on the top of the popsicle stick. Take your little baby Joey. Just stick him on there. Okay? Just like that. And then, like I said, we can go in our pouch. And we can completely hide and take a nap. And then we can go. Boo, boo, boo. Say, hey, Mom. Did you see that?
I did. That was so cute.
All right, so there's our kangaroo and our baby Joey. What are they called?
Marsupials.
There you go. There's your word of the day.
Indeed.
Okay. We are working all week on A is for Australia. Kangaroos. They live in Australia. Okay? That is where you will find them. Fun fact, Miss Rachel.
Mm-hmm.
Long time ago, I took my kids to a safari park. A baby Joey was misplaced and running around, and I got the pleasure of helping catch that little Joey. I picked up that little Joey.
No!
I sent that Joey to his mother without being kicked.
That is
Those
awesome.
kangaroos are very large. They can kick, but it was one of the coolest experiences I've ever had was to do that.
That is amazing.
It was very cool. All right, so Miss Rachel, zoom on in here.
Yes, ma'am.
Read that real quick.
All right, so these are the pages that you can also glue into your passport. When you visit other countries, you're going to get stamps, boom, on your passport, just like that. And these are our stamps and our information for you. So the first one here is more fun facts about Australia, and we're going to go through them real quick. So Australia is on a continent called Oceania. It also includes countries like New Zealand and some of the islands in the South Pacific, but Oceania is its continent. Its national animal is the emu. Just like that. It kind of looks like an ostrich. It's a little smaller, but it's like a big land bird, just like an ostrich. Now, this is called a famous landmark. Landmark means that this is something in the country that's either out in nature or a building that's very famous and everyone knows it in that country. This is Australia's landmark. It's called Uluru. Uluru is an Aboriginal word, so it's not an English word. It's an Aboriginal word, and that is that big rock right there. And it's very special and sacred to the Aboriginal people who live in Australia. So you can glue that one in, and then we have our other page over here, which is just some more basic information. This is the outline of Australia. So it's this part right here. And also this little teardrop island too is part of Australia. It's called Tasmania. If you ever remember Taz from Warner Brothers, he's named after that island, Tasmania. And this is the flag right here. So it has this Union Jack here. And then this cluster of stars is called the Southern Cross. And you can see that in the starry sky in Australia, which is why they have it on their flag. And in Australia, they do speak English, just like we do in the United States. And to say hello in Australia, all you have to do is say, hello. That's it.
Hello.
Easy peasy. So you can glue both of those into your passport.
So I'm going to do it like this. Again, glue around, give a little cross, flip it over, glue this one in. Okay, and then we're gonna flip this one over, same thing, glue that in. Okay, all right, boom. All right, there is our Australian information. You should have
a little visa stamp, just like that.
All right, so anywhere you want, just don't cover up your words, okay? We are official. We are starting our week. Bam. Australia.
We are in.
We are in. All right, so keep these because, like I said, for the next 6 weeks, we are going to use them so that we can put our facts in, we can put our passport stamp in, as we're doing the activities for the different countries, okay? Tomorrow we are going to be working on our A for Australia. Visit me back here, 9:15 tomorrow morning for day 2 of Australia. Have a great one. Bye.